Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the multiple choice questions in Google Forms. So you've got your question, you want it to be multiple choice. I usually will put in a description to ask the question since the actual question title will be used in the spreadsheet if I store the results in a spreadsheet and I don't want that to be too big. So with a multiple choice question, basically what you're looking for is for the user to select among a predetermined list of responses. And generally speaking, if in Google Forms at least, if you're going to use multiple choice questions, you probably don't want there to be more than 5 or 6 choices. If it's more than that, there's a better option in terms of question style to use. For this one, we're just going to use multiple choice. Which of the following statements are true? It doesn't really matter what these say, so I'm going to click A. And then notice if you enter something predictable, it will allow you to add more options automatically. So let's just say I add A, B, C, and D. So when the user sees this, they'll see the question, which of the following are true statements, and then whatever statement you want. And because it's multiple choice, if I go down here to this little snowman menu, this option appears. Go to section based on answer, which is a very powerful tool to use. Basically what we're doing here is we're saying if the user selects this option, make the form go here. All right, so if they choose A, we're going to send them to this section. If they choose B, we're going to send them to this section. If we choose C, we're going to go to this section, and so on. Right? Or you can have it submit the form, and what this allows you to do is this allows you to generate a custom path for your users, if they're students, based on what they select. If they choose this answer, they go to this other part of the form where maybe that part of the form has some more information, or it has some examples to help them correct a wrong answer and a mistake that they made. So when you use multiple choice questions, you can take advantage of the sections in your Google form if you have them, and then you can direct the form to take students to different places based on how they respond to the questions. Really powerful way to use multiple choice questions in Google Forms.